Big bass out there. Bluegills, huge gills. Oh, oh, he hit it, Jason. Look at that bass. That's a tank. There's baby bass chasing it. Huge bluegills. Here he comes. Here he comes. All right, put on something different. Cast on a little angle over there towards that deadfall. There you go. Ooh, he just, yeah. There he, oh, smashed it and you missed him. Send it over there again, reel it quick.
Oh, he's still sitting there over there.
You keep going to the right. Oh, you just got one.
I got one.
You just got one. There's a bunch of them over there.
Swimming at me.
Let's see what we got here. It's coming quick. It's a nice fish. It's a nice fish. Nice largemouth. Here, I'll bend down there and lip him. You want to lip him? Here, I'll hold him up.
I don't think I can lift him because of it.
You got him?
Yep.
That's a good one, man. Here, I'll get him out of there. Just got to turn the hook.
This one's in his lip.
Okay. You just turn it. You just grab it. And you're always going to hook yourself, but there you go. Get him back in there.
Dude, that's a dark one.
That's a nice one. There you go. There's another one over. There he goes. There's another one over there. Get back over there. That was a smaller of them. That was a good one, though. Oh, something's coming after it. Oh, oh, you're getting hit. All right, reel in. Something smashed.
There's just a gill right by it.
Was there a gill? That's probably what was hitting it.
Cast out there again.
Nothing. Cast it like out there.
By that green?
Yeah. By that green that's just moving. There you go, over there. Never know what's sitting over there. Nothing. There you go. Oh, you got him.
weeds.
Yep. Let him fight you out of them. He'll take you out of the weeds. Okay, now reef him a little bit. There you go. There you go. He's gonna get you out of there. Reel. There you go. See him?
Yeah, I do see him.
Yep. Go ahead and reel him up now. Yep, there you go. Smallmouth. Kurt, they're anywhere from 4-pound smallmouth all the way down to 11-inch, 10-inch. A lot of smallmouth in here. That's awesome. Here, let me do it. There you go. Whip him. That's a beautiful smallie, too. Good job, bud.
That's a sweet colored one, man.
Yeah, I love smallmouth. There's a lot of them in here, too. There he goes. Cast back over there again. There's a lot of bass going on now. Huge bluegills, tons of bass, all different sizes. I want to see him catch that monster. Remember that one last year I caught, Kurt? Yeah. Whew. That was a big one. Probably can't fool him much, though. He knows better. Cast over there by, see where that orange thing is in the weeds? What is that, Kurt, an old float?
Yeah, from the old raft that we got.
Oh, okay. The pond's starting to be like it was years ago now.
Yeah.
Filled with fish.
I had too many bluegill though.
Yeah.
Too small.
Yep. They can't. The baby bluegill can't survive in here now.
Nope.
They gotta be huge or they won't survive.
Looks like a sunny.
Whopper Plopper hit, didn't get the hit on film, but he's got a, looks like a sunfish. A big boy.
A Whopper Plopper.
Wow. No, it's a big gill.
It is a giant gill.
What the hell? Look at the size of that gill. Look at that gill.
Hold on, let me get him off the hook.
Holy cow, whip that sucker. That's that's a monster.
Holy smokes, dude.
Holy cow. That's 11.5 inches. Easily.
Way bigger than my hand.
Yeah, it goes all the way up to here. That's 11 inches. Look at that. Something hit him. Teeth marks in him. Maybe a pike.
Maybe.
Hope not. We don't want no pike in here. That's where I caught that big bass last year. And he was huge. Nothing. That big bass is smart. Jason's hooked up again.
Look at baby smallmouth.
It was jumping. I think it was a smallmouth. Staying down. Nope, there he goes. I don't know what it is yet.
Largemouth? Small.
Yep. Small smallmouth.
Smallmouth.
That is cool.
Right down his throat.
Let me get it then. Best days spent in the outdoors is always with family and friends. I always have fun with the kids fishing. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe. Lots more content to come. I push lots of content. Always will.